Hello and welcome to the sewing studio. Today I'm going to talk to you about some fat quarter packs and a creative grids template for mask making. So we've got lots of fat quarter packs for you to choose from. Today I've chosen the dinosaur ones. Now in all of these packs there are 5 fat quarters and these packs are only £8.95, so they're really good value. With my pack of dinosaurs, using the Creative Grids template, I managed to make 30 masks. And this is the mask that I'm talking about. So this is a medium size. The masks come in 3 sizes, small, medium and large. So cutting them out using this template, and I'll show you how to use it in a moment. As I say, I made 30 in total, so roughly 6 out of each one. And this is all the waste that I had left. So as you can see, a really economical way of cutting them out. So there were times that I had to turn the ruler and perhaps use it the wrong side because the rulers have always got this grippy bit, but it's such a small thing to hold on to, it was absolutely fine. If you've got directional fabric, however, you may not get as many as that. So with my mask, it's lined with cotton or calico, and on the reverse of the cotton or calico lining, I've got some lightweight iron-on vilene. So the front bit, the patterned bit, is just the fabric from these fat quarter packs. So I'm now going to show you the different sizes. So this is the pieces for the large, so you've got 2 of those pieces. This is the medium and this is the small. And the template comes with clear instructions on how to join them up. There's also a really good tutorial on Creative Grids website to show you how to do it. But I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration now. So I'll just move these along. And I'll get a bit of fabric here, and I'm going to take the template, and this fabric is great because if I wanted to fussy cut this character, I can put the mask template right in the center over the Incredible Hulk, and then I can cut round. So this one will be a large because I'm going to use the whole of the template as I cut. And then I'm going to turn my mat because it's so much easier if you've got a turny mat rather than trying to turn your fabric, because then you've got to let go of the grid. So I'm just holding the grid as I turn my mat, keeping hold of it. And with luck, I've gone all the way through. No, not quite. Let's just nick that bit off there. Nick that bit off there, and there we are, we fussy cut him. So ideally you would have your fabric folded in half because you need 2 of these to make each mask, but then I'd find another piece where I wanted to fussy cut a character so I could have that on the opposite side. So just an idea of things you can do, but I think it's excellent value that you've got 5 fat quarters and you can make up to 30 masks. So I'll leave that with you, and I look forward to seeing you next time here at the Sewing Studio.